Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop receiving iPhone text messages on iPad. So if you have an iPad at the same time as an iPhone, now you receive all messages you have on your iPhone or your iPad and I want to dissociate this connection, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to stop receiving iPhone messages on iPad, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on messages. On our S18, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then under apps, search for messages and then select it. On the messages page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to text message forwarding, then click on that. Then you should see the name of your iPad here. Allow this device to send and receive text messages from this iPhone. So if you want to disable your iPad from receiving text messages for iPhone, if this is turned on, go ahead and turn this off. And once that is turned off, your iPhone will stop sending your messages from your iPhone to your iPad. So that is basically how to stop receiving iPhone text messages on iPad. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.